doing anything.
I understand. No, I am not casing any houses. I live here. I am working on my phone, making sure that it records. I don't see anything wrong with what I'm doing. I'm on public property. I
But
haven't
you're
done
also-
anything illegal.
Okay. So
Okay.
when you cause concern to
Uh-huh.
other people, that's breach of peace, which is a criminal act, which now makes an investigation that you are a suspect for. So when you do not provide ID, that's called interfering, which is another charge.
I understand this, but
Okay, so
is not
do you
breach
have
of peace.
ID?
Yes, I do. I do have ID,
Okay,
just
can
not
I
on me
please
at the
have
moment.
it?
No, I don't have ID on me at the
What is
moment.
your name?
I don't understand why. I'm not doing anything illegal, and I don't understand how this
I
is
just
breach of
explained
peace.
to you.
I'm not being loud. I'm not being belligerent. I'm not disturbing anybody.
You are disturbing people because we got a call regarding you.
Well, I understand.
So, okay, so you understand it's breach of peace.
No, I don't understand how it's breach of peace if I'm not disturbing anyone. I mean, if somebody call, I appreciate the fact that they called us, suspicious person, suspicious activity.
25.
So
I do
how
appreciate
do we know
that.
you are who you say you are?
I never said I was anybody. I just said that I live here, and,
But how do
and
we
this
know
is. You can knock on the door right now.
And who's
My
the name?
my mother-in-law's in the house right now, and she's babysitting. I also have the key to the house. I don't have any weapons on me. I have no ill will, no ill intent. But I live here.
Well, we could have been probably gone about 5 minutes ago.
Okay.
Worked with us.
But
Want me to go knock on the door?
yeah, knock all you like. I am just doing a constitutionally protected activity, and I'm not breaking any laws. So I don't see the issue with me identifying myself. That door doesn't open. You're gonna have to go through the side, sir. Thank you. And what's your name and badge number, please?
Wise 332. You can put it right on the video.
I'm sorry, I didn't see it.
Put it right on the video.
It's facing upward. I can't
Wise.
see it. Wise. And badge number?
332.
Thank you for staying professional. Again, like I said, I don't understand how a constitutionally protected activity becomes breach
I
of peace.
explained it to you. I explained it very easily to you.
That's not the definition of breach of peace. Breach of peace is bring a decibel
Cause
level
an alarm
to
to others. That's,
cause of
there you
alarm.
go.
That's not my issue. The suspicious person, somebody thinks that I'm
You're
suspicious.
suspicious.
That's
an
not
alarm.
illegal. That's
But
not
then
a charge.
You don't want to provide ID, so I don't know if you live here. I don't know whose house you're taking a picture of. I don't know anything. You are a suspect at this time.
I understand this.
Okay.
Can you tell them no? Could they leave me alone, please? Thank you.
I don't know why you're making it
No
so
le diga mi
difficult.
nombre. No le diga mi nombre. Gracias.
How do I know you don't have a warrant out for your arrest?
No, I don't have a warrant out for my
How do
arrest.
I know that?
Because I don't engage in criminal activities.
I don't know that.
I understand. Again, nothing illegal what I'm doing. And I will be getting information to see what breach of peace is. Because I have your badge, name and badge number. I'm going to get his. This is, he's a K9 unit, number 777ZMF. And we have another cruiser here. I would like to get his name. This is the cruiser right here, 127EH.
Do you have a phone number for the complainant?
May I? Rivera?
Yep.
And badge number?
312.
Thank you very much. Thank you for staying professional.
Right here.
Let's hop out of the middle of the road.
This one starts quiet and turns into a false breach of peace investigation over nothing but a man standing on public property. An officer rolls up after a neighbor calls about a suspicious person. The man calmly explains he lives there, is on public property, and just using his phone. No threats, no noise, no disturbance. Yet the officer claims he's committing breach of peace and threatens a criminal charge for not providing ID, twisting the law beyond recognition. The citizen stays polite and firm, reminding them suspicion isn't a crime. He gives badge numbers, documents everything, and exposes how some officers use public concern as an excuse to violate rights. Reminding you, suspicious isn't illegal. Standing outside your own home filming or using your phone doesn't create a breach of peace, no matter how badly police try to frame it. Let's keep going.
Sir,
Hold on. Excuse me?
you're not supposed to be taking video standing on state property.
Oh, I'm not on state property.
Just letting you. I mean, if you go over here and do it, then that's on
I'm
you.
not. I'm not on state property, sir. Can I get your name?
Can I ask why you're recording?
Can I get your name, sir?
I'm Officer Trudeau. But can I ask why you're recording?
Correctional Officer Trudeau.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Ask why you're recording, sir.
you sure can ask, bro.
Yeah.
I'm an independent journalist.
Okay.
I'm gathering content for a story.
Okay.
So, and I'm not on state property. So, I don't. Unless we're on state property, you have no authority.
Well, please, if you can at least step over.
I'm not on state property,
Okay.
sir. I'm not on state property.
Okay.
And I won't be on state property, all right? Take care. Have a good one.
I don't want to be in your movie.
Excuse me?
I don't want to be in your movie. So I'm not going to sign
So
a release.
why would you? What release are you talking? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about you filming my truck up down there in the parking lot.
Didn't you just come up? Didn't you just come up to me?
No, that wasn't me. That was outside perimeter.
No, I'm just saying. Right now, you just came up to me, correct?
That's
So
correct.
wha-
Are you filming this?
I am filming this because you came up to me, sir.
Okay. I'm asking you
We're in a
nicely,
public-
politely. I don't want my truck in your film.
We're in a public place, sir. Why would you come up to me if you don't want your truck or your person in my film? Does that make any
Because I
sense?
see that you're filming it.
I wasn't filming you. I have no idea who you
I
are.
was parked down there. I saw you filming me.
I have no idea who you are, sir.
Okay.
Just because you're in public doesn't mean that I'm specifically filming
But
you.
I'm not in public.
You are in public.
I am now, but I wasn't down there. I was on state property.
It doesn't matter. I could see you from public. That means it's public.
Okay, whatever.
Yep. Take care.
Sir, anything up the hill on this side is considered state property. If you went on that side and recorded, not up the hill, if you went on this corner and recorded, that is fine. You cannot be on this side recording.
Sir, this is a public sidewalk, sir.
This is considered the state property.
This is
I've
public.
checked with my supervisor.
This is public. This is. Can you get your? I'd like to speak to your supervisor then,
That is fine.
because this is public property.
Now
I have
go
rights.
on that side, and I will do that.
Okay, go get your supervisor. Thank you. This is a public sidewalk. How is this state property? It makes no sense.
How you doing, fella?
Hey, how are you?
Good, how you going?
Pretty good. Are you supervisor?
Yep, Sergeant Valley, assigned to this facility. Now you can video record over here on this side. You cannot be on this side because this is all state property. Okay?
This is a public sidewalk. It's what's called a public easement.
Right.
This is a public road. So anything on like these electric wires and stuff and this sidewalk.
So I'm not going to hash particulars with you. Okay?
Oh,
I'm
I did.
gonna-
I did the GSI. So I looked up the
That's-
survey.
that's fine.
It's
All
public
right.
property.
So if you refuse to leave here, okay, I will call the state police and they will escort you off here. Or you can take it up with them, or you can go to this side of the road. You could do whatever you want over here. You can record this part, but this part right here, you cannot be on.
This is a public sidewalk, sir.
I understand that. Right?
I can
Who are
be
you-
on a public
Who are
sidewalk.
you affiliated with?
I could be on a public sidewalk. I'm an independent journalist. I work for myself.
Okay. So if you refuse to leave, just to advise you, I will be calling the state police.
Okay.
And they will come and escort you off.
That's fine. You can do whatever you'd like, Sergeant. LaValley.
LaValley.
LaValley,
Sergeant
okay.
LaValley. Sign
Great.
here, Clinton.
The sign's a claim. Great. Sounds good. This is a public sidewalk. You don't have any authority to trespass me
control.
from a public sidewalk. What makes you think that a public sidewalk is part of state property?
Whether it's right here or not, it's still state property, right? And you can look at your GSI or we
GIS,
don't allow
GIS.
you or GIS. We
Uh-huh.
don't allow you or any other private citizen. If you wanted to get permission, that's one thing, but you do not receive permission to take, right? It's a security risk for our facility for you to be out here doing this.
Well,
That's what I'm advising you of.
Yeah,
right?
no.
Because I don't know who you know outside of here, right? If you're affiliated with some inmate inside here, you're planning some escape attempt with him. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Well, you have a big wall to prevent that.
Well, don't be a smart ass. All right.
I'm not. Don't talk to me that way.
We've already had 2 leave here, right?
Yeah.
So
that's your fault,
this is,
not mine.
This is a problem. as
That's a
far
failure
as
on your department's fault, not me. I didn't help them escape.
right, wrong, or indifferent.
I'm
right?
sorry.
I said right, wrong, or indifferent.
Okay.
This
That's
is
not my
security
fault.
risk. You can't be filming here.
Sir, but this is public property.
2023.
I have a right. We have
This
First
is state
Amendment.
property.
This is public property. This is public property.
You're hashing.
It's
Small,
It's
small
not.
things,
I'm
right?
not on your. I'm not on the correctional facilities property right now. This is a public. I can protest here. I can exercise my freedom of press, which is what I'm doing right now.
Right. So you're. What if I accuse you of being affiliated with somebody in here? If I did some investigation, as you trying to provide escape material to somebody in here, right? Because now we have tablets. You can provide video footage, right?
I don't know that you have tablets.
I just told you I did.
Well, maybe you shouldn't give out operational security information to a stranger.
It's public information,
Just like this is public property, sir.
right? How do I know you're a stranger? You said you're
Independent journalist.
right. So
Yeah.
how are you a stranger?
I'm not here to start any trouble. I'm just here to.
Well, you
to-
are starting trouble. You got your body cam.
Yeah, what does that
do you-
mean?
You watch too much YouTube stuff?
Do I watch
Is
too
that-
much YouTube? I
Yeah,
do
all
watch a
this-
lot of YouTube. I
course
do.
you do.
I do watch a lot of
Right.
YouTube.
And you?
Do you watch YouTube?
I do watch YouTube, but it's mostly for informational videos and repair videos and stuff.
Yeah. Well, what I'm basically doing right now is kind of an informational video. I'm showing the outside of the prison. There's nothing I can get here that I can't get from Google Earth.
Right.
So it doesn't really
But this is
doesn't
state-
matter.
State property.
This is a
state
public
property.
sidewalk. You're telling me the state owns a sidewalk. The correctional facility owns a sidewalk.
Well, the sidewalk is put here to help people to get up back and forth to their vehicles.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Exactly.
But it's still on state property.
I don't understand how it's state. It might be state property, but it's still public property. It's publicly accessible to the public. Like, you don't own the sidewalk. You can't dismiss me from a sidewalk. We have constitutional rights in this country.
Well, if you're video recording, which you're not allowed to do.
I am
by
allowed
directive,
to. By
right?
who? Who says
By-
I'm not allowed to?
Right. New York State Department of Corrections says you cannot.
But
see
you have no
videotape
authority over
this.
me. I'm not an inmate, sir. I'm not inside those walls. You have no authority over me.
If you're on state property, yes, I do.
You're not.
Right?
I'm not on state property, sir. That's what I'm trying to explain to you.
You
This
are on
is
state property.
this is public property, and I'm sure the troopers are going to make you well aware of that. And maybe we can all learn something today, because this is what's called a public easement, a public sidewalk. That's why they run utilities, things of that nature on, just like your mailbox. You
Right.
don't own the first few feet of your own property.
Right.
I can go stand right in front of your house, right by your
So
mailbox.
now we're going to take eminent domain. Is that what we're talking now?
No, we're just talking about public versus private property,
Right.
and property that you have authority on and property that you don't. You have no authority on this property. You might have authority.
I beg to differ.
Okay, you don't have authority over me. Excuse me. You have no authority over me. I'm not an inmate. I'm not a part of the New York State Department of Corrections. So I don't want
So
any affiliation with you guys.
Maybe if you didn't have recording devices, that'd be a different story.
Well, I'm press.
Right.
That's kind of the point of
Where's
being
your press
press.
pass?
That's kind of the point of being press.
I'm asking you, so where's your press pass?
I don't have to show a press pass because we have freedom of press. You have freedom of press.
Sure.
This gentleman has freedom of press. That's what makes this country so great. I'm
you're
doing a
on
story
state
on the two.
property.
I'm doing a story on the two
Recording a
people.
facility.
Okay.
Right.
When
Where's
those
your
two. Let me
credentials?
ask you a question. When those two people escaped here, right? The two murderers that escaped here.
Sure.
Was there not press all over this area?
When they recorded from over there, yes, there was.
There was
They
press
weren't-
over here too.
they weren't
I've seen
here.
the video.
Recording here.
I'm not inside
No,
of
I
your
haven't seen
parking
that
lot.
video. I did see video where they were over there,
Yeah.
right across the street.
Mhm.
That's not has nothing to do with the correctional facilities property. We don't. That's Maggie's. That's Stewart's. That's Giuseppe's or whoever it is. That's all their property. But on this side, this is state property. We don't own any part of this right here, right? And this little 3-foot wide part right here, which you say is public, and in maybe some instances it is, but it's still state property, and you're still recording, right? These walls.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm doing. But so you're saying that is this road private?
23.
Like this road, you can keep it going straight and get somewhere. All right. Well, and over here seems to think that this is part of the correctional facility's property when it's not, which is very interesting.
You just gonna stay up here on the sidewalk, sir?
Huh?
You gonna stay up here on the sidewalk? Just so I know where you are when the state police arrive.
Oh, yeah, I'll be around.
Okay.
I'll be around.
First stay on the sidewalk then.
Yeah. The state police are going to tell you the same thing I'm telling you though.
Maybe
This
so.
is public. I can take pictures from public. That's part of the First Amendment, sir. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm just exercising my rights. We have them for a reason,
Okay.
right?
Well, if I'm wrong, but I don't think that I'm wrong.
Okay, we'll see. Maybe you're not. I don't know. No, he's definitely wrong. Hi, sir. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well.
Good, good. What's going on? How
Nothing.
are you?
Good. Hey, sir. You're a supervisor, right?
What do you need? I'm off duty, but
Oh, you're off duty?
I'm going to my truck. Do you have a problem?
No, I thought you were a supervisor.
I am a supervisor. I'm a
Oh.
lieutenant here at Clinton Correctional.
Okay, just
I'm-
if you could answer one question,
I'm not gonna
is this
answer any
public?
questions.
Is this public property?
As long as you stay on the sidewalk, you're okay.
Great.
If you go on a state property,
I would never do that.
Okay, but just understand that if you go on a state property, they have the right. They'll come out and read you a statement.
Yep.
I'm not going to get into any more with you. You know, you can. This is where you are. Okay.
All right. All right.
Okay,
Somebody
just
should relay that information to the sergeant.
Well, a lot of times you guys, I understand what you're doing, but you know what? Sometimes your presentation could be better.
Okay.
if
We'll
his
let the video
presentation-
be the judge of it.
Well, okay.
We'll let the video judge it. That's all. Thank you for taking the time.
You know what? Bothering me on my way home is not what you should have been doing.
I'm not trying to bother you. I just told you to have a great day.
Okay, thank you.
I'm not trying to bother you. How you doing today, Trooper?
Good.
You mind if I just get your name and badge?
Yes, Trooper Kurz,
All right, thank you.
4544. So the lieutenant said you talked to him on his way to his truck. He was concerned that you were recording and stuff like that.
Yeah, so there was a sergeant that was concerned, and he's the one who called you guys.
Okay.
Then a lieutenant came out, and he, I guess he educated the sergeant and told him that this is a public sidewalk. I'm allowed to be here,
Okay.
and I'm allowed to film what I can see in public.
Yep.
But I told him I'm an independent journalist, and there's nothing I'm trying to
Okay.
do secretively.
All right.
That's all.
They just, they just get concerned because they're trying to keep security of the facility and stuff like that.
No, especially with the 2 inmates that escaped 6 years ago, I could understand security concerns.
Yeah.
But, I'm out in the open. I'm telling you exactly what's my purpose.
Yeah.
I'm not hiding anything. There's nothing I can get from here that I can't get from Google Earth, logically.
I agree with you.
Right? So it's not that big of a deal.
Okay.
But,
Yeah, they just wanted me to talk to you and see what's going on.
yeah.
Just,
Well, if you're gonna go talk to them, I'd appreciate it if you could
I
just
did.
explain to
Yeah,
just
yeah.
explain to them that I'm not breaking any laws or doing anything
I'm gonna
wrong.
go back and talk to him.
Okay.
Do you mind if I get your name?
Oh, I'm not gonna give my name. I'll give you my first name's Sean.
Okay.
Are
you a local guy?
No, I'm not local. No.
Okay.
I run I'm an independent journalist. I run a news company where I disseminate public information to the public.
Okay.
So, what troop are you out of, sir?
This is Troop B.
Troop B.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm stationed right here in Denimore.
Yeah. No. It's nothing personal. I just don't give ID or anything unless I've broken the law or
Yeah,
you suspect me of breaking the law.
Yeah, you're not required to.
I just want to continue about my business.
Okay.
All right.
That's fine. Yeah, just make sure you stay on the public property, okay?
Yeah. I got it.
All right.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it. Thanks for educating them for me. All right. Thank you. I appreciate that. You have a good one. Stay safe.
This video captures a First Amendment audit at a New York maximum security prison, and it's a perfect case study in public rights versus state overreach. The auditor begins filming from a public sidewalk outside the correctional facility to report on a past inmate escape story. Almost immediately, multiple correctional officers confront him, claiming he's on state property and demanding he stop recording. The auditor remains calm, repeatedly explaining that he's on public easement and has the constitutional right to film anything visible from public space. The situation escalates when a sergeant threatens to call state police, falsely insisting the sidewalk belongs to the Department of Corrections. The auditor stands firm, educates the sergeant about public right-of-way laws, and requests a supervisor. When the lieutenant and the state trooper finally arrive, both confirm what the auditor said all along. He's on public property and doing nothing illegal. By the end, even the prison staff admit they learned something today. The trooper acknowledges that filming from public space is protected under the First Amendment, and the auditor wraps up his report peacefully. Bottom line, another clear example of lawful filming met with unlawful intimidation, until real law enforcement stepped in and upheld the Constitution. And let's keep going.
Yes.
Hi. How are you?
You guys know how I'm doing. I just saw you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're allowed to film in here. This is public access, but
Thank you for your permission.
not going down there. Those are private attorneys' offices.
Private attorney's offices and the
Well,
public
it's-
defender's office?
Yes, because it's private files that's laying out on their desk.
And in public, you have no expectation of privacy.
That's true.
Right. So it's not my responsibility to make stuff private in public.
That's why I'm letting you know those are attorneys' offices down there. That's the only thing that's
figured.
down there is the attorney's office.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. That sounds good. That sounds good. What are you guys up to today? We got
Nothing.
Mr. Fulford and Mr. Carell.
Officer Farrell, but thank you.
Mr. Carell. You're a man.
You have a great day, sir.
Yeah, your officer status doesn't put you above anybody.
Nope, we're equal as you are.
You didn't say it, he did. That's why I didn't say that to you.
Yeah.
Right.
Great day, sir.
Yeah. That's crazy that calling the cops doesn't do too much, does it? Isn't that crazy how you call the cops, they come in and tell me that I'm right? Yeah, you shouldn't really call people with badges to do stuff to other people. That's not polite. Your mother should have taught you that.
Did you go back downstairs? Stand by. Did you go back downstairs, sir?
We get a recording of everything they're saying to you right now, brother.
Good, because they're not saying anything to me.
So you guys trying to find some reason to throw me in a cage today? No? What are you doing then? Why don't you go on?
Just letting you know that when you were going downstairs, you were entering into a restricted area. That
Why don't you come show me the signage in here that says that?
There is no signage, sir.
There's no
I'll
signage.
give you that.
There is no signage.
I'll give you that.
And the law that they're trying to pass through Congress, the Congress of the state, is trying to make it a law to where if there's a restricted access sign, then you can arrest somebody. But until that law is passed, you got no authority to arrest somebody for going into a...
Diminishing returns. I'm going to wait over there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I mean, if you want to come in, I'll go downstairs when you're in here with me. You want to come in and I'll go downstairs with you? No? You want to go?
I don't go downstairs unless...
Okay, do you want to go then, or do you want to keep threatening me saying that I can't go somewhere?
I'm not threatening.
You are. You're asking me if I went downstairs, insinuating that if I went downstairs, you were going to do something to me, right?
No, sir, we were just informing you that you're unallowed and we would like to...
I am allowed. I am allowed. You're law enforcement. It's not feeling enforcement. Okay. There's no law against it.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's me. You can go with that. You can back here again. I'm not just serious, sorry. You can't report. It's all good. It's all good. If we don't go over there, we just minimally intrusive.
You guys got your body cams off?
Absolutely, sir.
Yeah, got them off?
No, on.
On.
Within policy, sir.
Is there anything I can specifically help you with?
Well, is there any chance that you guys have any public records requests here?
No.
No?
I don't have any public records.
Could I-
Client private files.
All right, could I get your, could I just get your name?
My name is Ellen Martin.
Ellen
Public
Martin.
Defender here.
Okay,
We
great.
don't have any public records for you. We have client.
Is your
private
name a
client
public
files.
record?
My name's a public record.
Okay, that's all. Could I get her name too?
Her name is Tana McDonald.
Tana. All right, great. No, I don't need any help
You
from
have
you
the right
guys.
to be out here in the lobby, but it's
Thank
gonna be
you.
boring.
Yeah, the only reason I would need you is if these guys ascertain me for doing legal activities,
Well, if
right?
You're gonna, just don't harass us. You know, you can be polite and sit here in the lobby. It gets really hot here in the lobby,
Does
so
it?
you're gonna get uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's not
Yeah.
a pleasant place a lot of times.
You're
inside.
Miss Martin. You're a public defender. You should know that being polite isn't. That's not like a requirement of the law, right?
Well,
It's
a
good social
requirement of
many,
human
right?
Decency
It
to
is.
be,
It is.
polite,
And I would do
so-
that for you.
All right, so that's why we're just trying to be polite, but
Yeah.
you know,
I'll be honest with you, Miss Martin. I just don't like it when these guys come and tell me I can't do something when there's
But,
no
you know,
law.
You also put us on high alert, so it's hard to do our jobs when you're here because we've got to be, kind of making sure that things are going okay. So.
I hope you're not high alert in some danger regarded. Hopefully, maybe just the public is here.
I have no concern.
Okay, good, good, because that's not my intention.
We have private client files, and even though their names may be public record online, but we take their privacy seriously. And,
and that's why I saw you. I assumed you were a lawyer, and when I saw you, I assumed probably shouldn't go back there. You know what I mean? Because of that.
Private offices. So.
Well. Right, the public offices, but a lot of private stuff in those public offices.
Definitely, yes, and we need to keep them private for our clients' privacy and.
Yeah, and locking the door that was a good way to do that.
Well, yeah, that's the purpose of that door down there is to keep people that aren't supposed to be in there out.
All right, all right, Miss Mine, it was good to talk to you. Okay, have a good one.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
This video takes place inside the Greene County Public Defender's office, where a citizen journalist puts the idea of public access to the test and exposes how even government lawyers can misunderstand basic rights. The auditor calmly films in the lobby, explaining he's working on a story and doesn't wish to identify himself. Almost immediately, staff demand his name, tell him to leave, and call the sheriff's department. All while he remains in a clearly publicly accessible area. Officers arrive but can't find any posted restriction signs. One deputy admits, "There's no signage. I'll give you that," confirming the man is within his rights to record and be present. Meanwhile, the public defenders argue that parts of the office are private due to client files. But the auditor reminds them privacy is their responsibility, not the public's. The confrontation ends peacefully, with staff realizing they have no legal ground to remove him. This was example of a First Amendment audit done right. Calm, lawful, and informative. Even inside a taxpayer-funded government building, the right to record still stands strong. Let's keep going. Today we're diving into police body cam footage, breaking down real interactions between officers and citizens. We'll be taking a closer look at how police conduct themselves on the streets, this time from their own point of view. Let's get into it.
I don't know what happened. We was driving by, the man's laying here. He says somebody hit him with a car. He's obviously been drinking, but he needs some help, so I didn't want to leave until somebody got here.
I appreciate you. And when you came here, you didn't see anybody else around? Or?
You know what? There was a white vehicle on the tracks, and I think they saw him about the same time we did.
Okay.
But they went on.
But you didn't see a vehicle around or anything like that? Okay.
But his head's all busted up, and he said he hurt.
Why don't you guys go ahead and pull up to give room for the ambulance?
We're going to go on. We just wait.
Well, I need your information real quick.
What information?
Just your information real quick. Give me 1 second. Can you just pull the vehicle up for a second?
It's not my car.
Jesus Christ. Give me your IDs and I'll run it now. Everybody's got to make shit rocket science. You got your ID on you?
It's not my car.
You have your ID on you.
No, I do not. Why are you yelling at me whenever I'm
Because you're not listening. You're not listening. I'm trying to get the ambulance here so we can get off the railroad tracks.
And we're going home.
I need your ID.
I don't have an ID.
What's your name?
I'm not giving it to you.
I'm going to put your hands behind your back. I'm going to arrest you. God damn. Let's make everything difficult, please. You want to go sit in the county jail because you want to be an idiot.
I don't have an ID on me, just like
No, you don't want to give me your name, so you said arrest you. So good Lord. Let's make it difficult. Makes sense.
I want to see your supervisor.
Put him in your car. Pat him down and put him in your car.
I want to see your supervisor. Have I committed a crime?
Yes, you have. Obstructing justice.
I want to see your supervisor.
Put him in your car. Pat him down and put him in your car.
I want to see your supervisor. Have I committed a crime?
Yes, you have. Obstructing justice.
How is that when I called to get this guy some help?
Come on.
That's all I did was call to get help. I did nothing.
You got anything in your pocket, bud?
I got my cigarettes right there. I got my pajama pants on, man. We just saw the guy laying in the road. If I haven't been suspected of a crime.
I know, I
Or
just
suspected
got
of being
called about this guy.
About
laying in the road.
Yeah, I mean, we're just trying to help.
All right.
And the guy's yelling at me. That's what's the matter with the police force nowadays, man.
Well, let's get this figured out. And
I did absolutely nothing but call to help this guy out, and I'm sitting here in cuffs. That's all I did.
Well, what happened? What happened
I
there?
don't know. We pulled up and the guy's laying in the middle of the road, so we called 911.
Sorry, copy 28 of a witness.
Asking me for ID, which I told him I do not have, and I haven't been suspected of committing a crime.
What's your name?
It's Aaron.
Okay.
But there's absolutely no reason to ID me when I haven't done anything. I'm just trying to help a guy.
Whenever you called about it, did you?
I didn't even call.
Oh.
The daughter called. I was out there with the man, making sure he was all right.
They didn't see
Okay.
anything, but just
All
first ones on
Did nothing,
scene.
man.
B-boy
And here I'm
KK,
sitting in cuffs because your guy's an asshole.
92678.
That's why.
Boy King 92678.
I want your
Copy
supervisor out here, by the
27.
way. Get your sergeant
He's out here.
All right.
Go ahead.
That's why people record this stuff. You know that,
Last
right?
name.
You're breaking my constitutional rights by arresting me for
First of
committing
all,
no crime. I wasn't impeding an investigation.
All right. Well, I don't know what was going on there, so.
Nothing. We called to get the guy some help, and I'm in cuffs.
All right. Well, let me go talk to them, and hopefully we'll be able to get you out of here. Okay.
Also run a Aaron W.
There you go. That's
I'll get
me.
a date of birth for you in a moment.
Your guy was just being an asshole.
Aaron, listen, if you want to see asshole, I'll send you to the county jail. I'm asking for your cooperation. God damn. Who is this guy to you, ma'am? Who is he to you?
He's my dad.
Why is he acting like this when I'm trying to get people off the railroad tracks for safety reasons?
No, sir, I'm sorry.
I just need to know who we are. That's all I'm doing. I just asking him for his name and he don't want to give it to me.
We were just trying to get this man some help.
Ma'am, I appreciate that, but at the same time, why cause one problem when we're trying to fix another? You know what I'm saying?
I understand, sir.
Century, copy 28 of a witness. They pulled up right after he was down. They didn't see anything, but just first ones on scene. B-Boy K King 92678. Boy King 92678. Copy 27.
Go ahead.
Last name. First is Molly, M-O-L-L-I, middle A Adam, female. Here you go, darling. What's his name?
Aaron.
Clear valid. 28 also returns.
What's his middle initial?
W.
W. Also run a Aaron W. I'll get a date of birth for you in a moment. Aaron, wait. Aaron, listen, if you want to see asshole, I'll send you to the county jail. I'm asking for your cooperation here.
For what?
I've got squad cars on railroad tracks. I'm trying to get them off of it because you don't want to listen. I'm asking for your cooperation and you don't want to give it to me.
You know what my cooperation was? Calling and getting this man some help.
Okay, so we're going to cause another problem by not clearing the railroad tracks? I'm asking you to pull forward.
Not my car.
And then I'm asking for your name so you guys can get out of here so we can pull forward.
At all. For no reason. You're asking for
that makes sense. It's stupid. Hit your unlocks on your car. Aaron, I don't know why you'd want to do a good deed and not help me try to just get everybody out of here in a safe area.
You started yelling at me, it was a bad deal right off the bat, so.
Apparently you don't know what it's like to do this job.
I don't want to.
I get that, but I'm trying to make it safe for everybody showing up here so we're not on railroad tracks and stuff.
You need to get the chip off your shoulder, pal. There's no reason to be rude.
Oh, no, listen, time can kill somebody. You understand that?
I'm not mad. Why are you?
I'm not mad.
Why you keep yelling at me then?
I'm not yelling.
Not right now.
Time can kill somebody. The matter of seconds can kill somebody.
I have no idea what happened to him, no more than you do.
I understand that. I'm trying to get people off the railroad tracks.
And I'm trying to go home. I just stopped to help the guy.
Then just help me get to the fucking end of the...
I don't owe you anything. I don't know what your problem is.
My problem is...
Guess what? I'm clear, right? I've lived here my entire life. I want your name, your card.
It's Billy White. My badge number's 429.
Because there'll be a complaint filed. I guarantee you.
You know what? If you're going to file a complaint, we'll just charge you. Stay in there. We'll give you something. We'll give you something to file a complaint on. Transport this one to the station. he's going to run his mouth and want to file a complaint, I'll give him something to file his complaint on. You can go to the station and bond him out.